Corruption. The word corruption is derived from the Latin word corruptus, which means corrupted, and in legal terms, the abuse of a trusted position in one of the branches of power or in political or other organizations with the intention of obtaining material benefit which is not legally justified for itself or for others. Corruption is a cancer that eats away at a citizen's faith in democracy, diminishes the instinct for innovation and creativity. It refers to an evil act by an individual or a group. This act compromises the rights and privileges of others. It is a universal problem that existed in all ages. The earliest records of corruption date back to the 13th century BC. Most probably, people in positions of authority are susceptible to corruption. It certainly reflects greedy and selfish behavior. It has clung to mankind like an incurable disease. Corruption can take place in many ways, but primarily includes activities like bribery, electoral fraud, nepotism or embezzlement, etc. My Lord, help me against the people of corruption. Bribery involves the improper use of favors and gifts in exchange for personal gain. Embezzlement referred to the act of withholding assets for the purpose of theft. Corruption destroys the legitimacy of the state. Favoritism and nepotism is quite an old form of corruption still in usage. This refers to a person favoring one's own relatives and friends to jobs. This is certainly a very unfair practice. This is because many deserving candidates fail to get jobs. Although corruption differs from country to country, it is possible to identify some of the key common driving forces that generate it. What is common to all countries which are among the most corrupt are developing countries or countries in transition. The driving forces can be money, poverty, large family, low economic freedom, low press freedom, lack of education, and injustice. The effects of corruption are wide-ranging. Few of them are humiliation, effect on economy, poverty and inequality, personal loss and intimidation, and political instability. Corruption is paid by the poor. One important way of preventing corruption is to give a better salary in a government job. Many government employees receive pretty low salaries. Therefore, they resort to bribery to meet their expenses. So, government employees should receive higher salaries. Increasing the number of workers can be another suitable way of reducing corruption. Tough laws are very important for stopping corruption. Strict punishments need to be meted out to guilty individuals. Furthermore, there should be an efficient and quick implementation of strict laws. Applying cameras in workplaces is also an excellent way to prevent corruption. The government must make sure to keep inflation low. Due to the rise in prices, many people feel their incomes to be too low. Consequently, this increases corruption among the masses. Corruption is like a ball of snow. Once it's set rolling, it must increase. To sum it up, corruption is a great evil of society. This evil should be quickly eliminated from society. Corruption is the poison that has penetrated the minds of many individuals these days. Hopefully, with consistent political and social efforts, we can get rid of corruption. People should be conscious that they can change a corrupt system.